Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will discuss crony capitalism. What is crony capitalism and how it works, and what is its aspects. Crony capitalism refers to an economic system where business thrive not because of their competitive strengths but through close relationships with government officials, granting them special favors like government contracts, tax breaks, or preferential regulations. Instead of free market competition, crony capitalism fosters corruption, where political power is used to provide unfair advantage to select business, often at the expense of the general public and overall economic growth. The roots of crony capitalism can be traced back to various early industrializing economies. However, one of the earliest and most notable examples occurred during the Gilded Age in the United States, late 19th century, a period characterized by rapid economic growth but also extreme inequality and corruption. In modern times, crony capitalism has become a global issue, manifesting in various forms across both development and developing countries. Crony capitalism still play a prominent role as state assets are privatized rapidly, often handed to politically connected oligarchs at low prices, creating a class of extremely wealthy businessmen who rely on government favoritism. Crony capitalism can severely undermine economic growth and social equity. It distorts market mechanism by promoting inefficiency, discouraging competitions, and leading to income inequality. It also fosters corruption and undermines trust in government institutions.